affecting this area.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for east central Monroe County in southeastern Michigan until 6:30 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Monroe, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Monroe County, including the following locations: Woodland Beach, Stony Point, and Detroit Beach. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Michigan.
This concludes this message regarding the activation of the Southeast Michigan Local Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to 760 WJR for more information.